Let's make a paper plane by Kendo K. Let's go. First, you need to fold the paper. Make sure it's lengthwise and folded in half. Make sure both sides are equal and all corners are meeting each other from each side. It's very simple. And this is the first step. Now, take each corner from the top and fold it down to the middle. Make sure it's folded completely straight from each corner. So make a shape like a triangle on the top. Make sure both sides are completely down the middle of the crease of the paper. When you do that, just fold it and you're almost there in making your airplane. Make sure it's equal on both sides. Finally, what you do, you take the fold again and you make a crease down to the side and make sure each side is down the middle of the crease. So now you have more of a triangle shape of the paper. And always make sure the crease is down the middle. You can always readjust to make sure each side is perfect. Make sure the crease is straight and the fold is straight. There you go. Almost there. Now what you do is you fold it in half. So it looks like there's an airplane about to be created. And what you do is to make the wings. You fold the opposite way now to create the wings. Make sure the fold is straight alongside the bottom of the plane. Make sure the crease is right and make sure each wing is equal for maximum aerial movement. You're almost there. Okay, here we go. Now when you fold it back up a little bit, you have an airplane. Wasn't that easy? Now you try that at home. Now we're ready to fly. Up, 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 and away! Thank you for sharing your time with me. Have a great day. Bye.